If you are in the market looking for a wall-mounted bed options and you find the available options are a bit expensive, stop right there and watch this complete video. Hi everyone, I am Nandakishore. Today I am excited to introduce you to our Series 1 Invisible Bed. Whether you are planning for a home office, gym room, or you just want to maximize the living space, as our Series 1 Invisible Bed blends in style, utility and a comfort in one elegant design. Stay tuned till the end for the product specification and to make a right choice for your sweet home. The Series 1 comes in all sizes 3x6, 5x6 and 6x6, made of branded ply and MDF. It can fit to any space and built to last. It's available in two elegant color combinations, a clean full matte white and a rich desert walnut. For instance, queen size bed can easily handle 250 kilograms of weight. We have designed legs with extra attention to stability and strength, using a single piece fully calibrated plywood structure that's precision cut on CNC machine. We use TUV certified hydraulic lift assist system which has been tested over 30,000 cycles. All the components are in-house designed and in-house manufactured, which will give us the full control over the quality and reliability so that you need not to worry on the post-sale service. Compared to sofa cum bed, this one's a smarter investment as we offer unmatched 5 years warranty on complete product because we truly believe in the quality and the reliability of what we build. That's the Series 1 Invisible Bed, stylish, strong, built to last. To know more, visit our website invisiblebed.com or you can visit our experience center located in Bangalore, Mumbai and Hyderabad.